Hey everyone, are you ready to revolutionize your garden with some amazing AI tools? I'm super excited to share with you 5 incredible AI-controlled gardening tools that will save you time, boost productivity, and make your gardening experience even more enjoyable. Let's start with the most budget-friendly options and work our way up to the top-tier gadgets. First up, we have AI garden design apps. These apps are an awesome starting point for anyone looking to plan their garden more efficiently. How do they work? Simply snap a photo of your yard, upload it to the app, choose your preferred style, and voila! The AI generates beautiful design ideas tailored just for you. Some popular options include the DreamzAR app, Rescape AI, and AIGardenPlanner. The best part? These apps are super affordable, with some even offering free trials. Next, let's talk about AI-powered plant identification and care apps. Ever wondered what that mysterious plant in your garden is? These apps have got you covered. Just take a photo of the plant and the AI will identify it and provide personalized care instructions. Check out PlantSnap, PictureThis, and iNaturalist. Most of these apps are free or come at a low cost, making them a must-have for any gardener. Now, for those looking to optimize their watering routine, smart irrigation systems are game changers. These systems use AI to monitor soil moisture and weather conditions, adjusting your watering schedule accordingly. Imagine saving water, reducing your bills, and ensuring your plants get just the right amount of hydration. Some top picks are the Rockio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller and the Orbit Beehive Smart Hose Faucet Timer. While they may be a bit pricier than traditional timers, the efficiency and convenience they offer are totally worth it. Moving on to AI-powered weed control robots. Say goodbye to backbreaking weeding. These robots autonomously patrol your garden, identifying and removing weeds without harming your precious plants. Turtle is perfect for small gardens, while FarmWise Vulcan is ideal for larger farms. Although they're a bit on the expensive side, the time and effort saved make them a fantastic investment. Last but definitely not least, we have comprehensive AI gardening systems. These high-end systems combine sensors, cameras, and robots to manage every aspect of your garden, from watering and fertilizing to pest control and harvesting. One standout example is the FarmBot Genesis XL. It's like having your own personal garden assistant. While these systems can be quite costly and require some technical know-how, the precision and efficiency they bring to gardening are unparalleled. So there you have it, folks. AI-controlled tools can transform your gardening experience, making it more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener, there's an AI tool out there to suit your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening.